Hi, my dear beautiful friends. Thank you for coming to my channel. And today, guys, I will open for you a new perfume that maybe perhaps me opening this perfume, guys, will help you to decide if you want this perfume or you don't want this perfume. So I bought this perfume, Dareej Pour Femme by Rassasi, because I wanted, guys, to try for the first time. I wanted to try Rassasi perfumes because I don't know, guys, what type of perfumes they are. I never tried this brand before, and I'm very unfamiliar about this brand. And this is the first perfume that I will open, but I also have two more that I need to unbox in the future. So recently, guys, I purchased some Zara perfumes, and I also purchased one of the Swiss Arabian perfume and some other ones as well, like Fragrance World perfume that some I opened, some I haven't opened, and we will see in the future how it is. But today's topic is Dareej, and remember that there is also man version of Dareej, this fragrance, but the one that I'm opening, guys, today will be simply woman's version. So don't get confused, because it's so easy to be confused about these things. Behind me, guys, I have beautiful flowers, is tulips, which are in season at the moment, and they have another one there. I think it's some kind of lily flower. And then behind me as well, I have, guys, some three Zara perfumes, which perhaps I will speak after this video. I'm not sure. I will think about. There is Fleur de Patchouli. There is one of the energetically New York, and there is that pink one, is fashionably London perfume that I already unboxed. But let's open this perfume. I will read, guys, for you about it in Fragrantica, because simply I'm not familiar with this perfume. I'm drinking coffee because I love coffee so much. First word that I see, guys, it comes on Fragrantica that it says main accords would be powdery, which is a little bit put me off already, because I'm a little bit afraid of powdery perfumes. Like, for example, there is powdery perfumes like Chloe, Chloe perfume, which is not that type of perfumes that I would buy. So that first main accord of powdery notes, it's a little bit makes me afraid. Another main accord would be white floral, which is great because actually, for example, Zara has perfume Tokyo, which is white floral, which actually makes me kind of feel that I like white florals. And there are some other, guys, white floral perfumes that can seem that are very nice. I just recently, guys, discovered that those white floral perfumes can be quite pleasant to wear. So, and then also it says woody, floral, sweet caramel, vanilla, green, which I really love. Vanilla caramel can be quite nice, and then citrus and musky. So combination of those, I feel like this perfume, because it's white floral, can be quite nice. Maybe that powdery scent will be dissolved, in those other notes. Let's see how it is. Let's see what else do they say. So let's see what else do they say. Let me open this perfume. So Dareej Pour Femme Rassasi. Do you guys have Rassasi perfumes? Let me know. Because for me it's new. This type of situation, guys, is completely new, and I feel that I might like it, because I feel that it might be something wearable, maybe a little bit more fresh, with those white florals, maybe something that could be grabbable and I could feel kind of feminine in a way, those type of perfumes. Let's open it. Dareej Pour Femme by Rassasi is a floral, fruity, gourmand fragrance for women. So it says actually gourmand for women. Top notes are peach, which can be nice, peach, orange, green notes, bergamot, middle notes, heliotrope, not familiar, orchid, jasmine, lily of the valley, and then caramel at the base, vetiver, I love vetiver, musk, sandalwood, amber, and patchouli. Sounds something interesting. When I'm taking out this perfume, guys, at the moment, I realize that this perfume comes in a beautiful shape of the bottle, that type of transparent. I don't know if you can see that transparency, that type of the type of light purplish type of color of the juice, you know. I wonder, guys, if you could see somehow. Let me take it off this one. Somehow you can experience the beauty of this bottle in some kind of way. I never had this shape bottle before. It's some kind of unusual, and let's see how it goes, guys. Do you guys also, if you are a man, do you have like man version of this perfume? Is it something that is wearable? You know, how do you feel about the, let's say, man version of this perfume? I will put it perhaps here, guys, somehow, like this, so you will not see too much. And let's read, guys, more. So basically it says, so that's what it says. And what other people say. For an example, we can go and have a look. I really love those notes that in the middle are a lot of floral, type of white florals. There was peach, there was bergamot, and at the base it's kind of warmer notes. There's even amber and there's caramel. It's interesting, guys, this perfume. They say the longevity could be either long lasting or moderate. So that's what they say, you know, either long lasting or moderate. They say it's more for female, or some people say it's unisex, but for male, only 7 people say that it could be for male. Many people say it's good value. The value is brilliant, they say. And also people say that they are not sure how they feel about this. They say that maybe it smells like celery juice and some kind of coriander. Some people say they like it. Green notes, you know, green notes, maybe it's a bit too much. And then beautiful notes, they say, and then it's outstanding, people say. And then some people say it's similar to Lancome Hypnose, which I never tried before. And then they say they enjoyed it immensely. Slightly peachy scent that has fake muskiness. They say it's unisex. And then something else smells something else than what those notes were listed before. It's nice, they say. Really interesting. It's something that like a vanilla, you know. And then they say, you know, beautiful powdery floral type of nice balance of sweet and fresh. And now, guys, it's simply time for me to simply unbox this perfume, and let's see how we go. Can feel something clean. Oh my goodness, guys. So what it feels like is, I haven't even sprayed it, but it feels, guys, clean. Type of, you know, like, let's say when you wash your clothes and there is a leftovers of the nice smelling type of you know, powder left over in the clothes, and you hanged it of course outside to dry in the wind, and then you take your clothes and that's what you feel. Let's spray. Through this, when I smell, you know, kind of when I smell like this, I wish it would be a little bit more than what I smell, but let's smell it. Let's spray this perfume. Rassasi, first time experience of Rassasi perfume. First sniff. Peachy. Oh my goodness. Peachy. So peachy. A lot of peach. Sweet peach. Wait. So when I smelled from the cap, it was, I was saying about the clothes, but actually when I smell it now, it's a bit different. Peach. Peach. It's sweet, but because, guys, it's kind of mixed with those sweet, you know, notes that vanilla, so it's kind of peachy sweet, and plus those white florals kind of makes it in a gentle type of white floral peachy way. A lot of peach disappearing, you know, very quick. It's not head, will not give you headache, you know, will not give you headache too much. Very light. I'm concerned about the longevity. Uh, those notes that were written a lot, there were a lot of notes written there. I only feel white florals and peach. First thing that comes, peach. That powdery notes that it was saying there, don't feel as much as I was afraid. I don't feel, it doesn't feel very clean perfume. Like, let's say, there is that Calvin Klein beauty perfume with this type of similar color, but they are different, but that type of similar vibe, that type of vibe. But this one is different. This different than that Calvin Klein beauty perfume, because this one has peach, and that Calvin Klein doesn't have peach. Guys, it's a little bit. So now, like, let's say everything is fading away. And what I don't feel about this perfume is excitement too much, but I feel that clean perfume. Clean, like, let's say, maybe after shower you can spray it, or even like before going to bed. It will not annoy you too much, but also will not excite you. I wonder that compliments factor, can it be? It's fresh, guys. This perfume is very easy to wear, type of spring, because spring is now, so that type of spring perfume. When you look at this bottle and like you think about, it's kind of light, easy going, maybe a little bit fresh, maybe white florals, but on the main accord it was saying peach. So imagine how it is. You can already imagine, guys, how it is, this perfume. Green, not feeling much green, citrus, citrus, there can be citrus. So basically what's happening now is peach went away, it disappeared, but a lot disappeared, but you can still feel peach with white florals. What's a little bit disappointing is that excitement part kind of went away a little bit for me. So it will be maybe that type of simple, nice, grabbable perfume. And like, guys, this from Zara perfume Tokyo, for example, that one I feel is more exciting than this, but let's see how it goes. If longevity will be poor of this perfume, which people doesn't say, people say it's moderate, then can be a bit disappointing. But this perfume is not ugly perfume. This perfume is wearable perfume, clean perfume, simple perfume, not simple, but that type of easygoing perfume, fresh and white florals, which is no need to be afraid. But maybe not possible to call this perfume very exciting. It's more like wearable everyday perfume, Not sure if it can give you compliments, but maybe people can feel this perfume on you and you will give this type of like a fresh vibe, that type of situation. So that's what it could be. Sweetness, peach, maybe that powdery note is on the base. That's all what I feel. I have to, guys, what I need to do right now is I simply need to discover this perfume a little bit more. Freshness like spring with the peach, We will see, guys, how it goes. I'm excited to discover more this perfume. I'm happy right now to have something that, guys, simply I can spray it on, something new. That was my first Rassasi perfume. Do you guys experienced more of Rassasi perfumes? Let me know which one is good. I bought Rassasi Secret perfume. I bought some kind of green perfume. Is it Caroline or something? I forgot the name, but I will open that one too. I hope it's gonna be something nice and green, green. And that's all, guys. I'll be back to you soon. Let me know, what do you think, guys, about Rassasi perfumes? Let me know a little bit more. Maybe you have more experience, because I don't have experience with Rassasi perfumes, and I opened it for you. And what about the man version? What is that one about? Is it fresh? Is it what? With what to compare? This one I would compare maybe with Calvin Klein Beauty, just because of that purplish color, but with the peach. This one has peach, and that one kind of also smells clean. This one smells clean too, but this one has peach. See you soon, guys. I hope I help you in some way, and see you in another video, maybe about Zara perfumes, maybe about those that I have over there. Have a nice day, guys. See you soon.